Welcome to another Procreate time-lapse video, showing you how to create this image to use as clip art, stickers or labels on your digital planning templates. The brush used in the artwork was the gel pen in the inking set on Procreate. Keep watching to see more. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is draw a circle, and then go onto the arrow tab and select the warp function to change the shape. Once you have done this and you are happy with your shape, select a new layer. On this layer you are going to draw the body. Now select another layer and add in the legs. Now add in some color. On a new layer, draw two circles for the eyes and color them in white. Now duplicate that layer and change the color of those circles to black. On this layer, go to the wand tool and select the Gaussian blur tab to create a 3D effect on the eyes. On a new layer, draw two smaller circles for the pupils, and again, on a different layer, add in two small white circles to highlight the eyes. On a new layer, add in some shadows to the eyes. I am using the color gray for this. Now go to the wand tool and select the Gaussian blur tab to create the shadow. Now you can add in a mouth. You can do this on a new layer or on the same layer as the head. Now it's time to add some shadows and highlights to the character. On a new layer, add in different shades of green to the character. I have placed the white highlight in the center to start with and used different shades of green on the rest of the areas, keeping the darkest color on the edge of the character. Now use the Gaussian blur function to blend these colors together. There are many ways that you can create this effect, however this method works best for me. If you have another technique, please share it in the description box below. I would love to read it. Add in some pink cheeks and some freckles, and your character is complete. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.